This pool closing kit is specifically designed to simplify the winterizing process for both above-ground and in-ground pools, accommodating up to 15,000 gallons. The kit offers dependable protection for your pool, ensuring that no damage occurs to the pool surfaces or other chemicals during the winter months. Its versatility allows it to be suitable for pools of different shapes and sizes, and multiple kits can be used for larger pools exceeding 35,000 gallons. A standout feature is the Winter Sorb, which can absorb 40 times its weight in oils, effectively preventing unsightly waterline scum. This comprehensive kit includes essential components such as a quart of Winterizer, a quart of winter stain-away, 2 pounds of chlorine-free pool shock-oxidizer, 1 Winter Sorb, and a winter pool floater. Produced by the reputable brand In the Swim, this kit is a popular choice for pool owners looking to protect their investment during the off-season.